Students, today we will do a new poem. You can see the name of the poem is Homes. Okay, so before starting this poem, I have some questions. Okay, in warm up activity, what does home mean to you? Why do we all love our homes? Which is your favorite place in your home? Okay, so you can give answers through audios, videos. I will wait for you for your responses. I'm ready. Then I'll take the answers from you and I would be very happy for your responses. Okay, are you ready to give responses? Okay, I'm sure you will definitely give responses or send responses. So, shall we start recitation? Because recitation is must before starting the poem. I might have lived inside a shell if I had been a snail, or in a great white tossing sea if I had been a whale, or in a noisy busy hive if I had been a bee, or a bunny in a bureau eating lettuce for my tea. I might have had a kennel home if I had been a dog, or a mud hole in a river bank if I had been a frog. I might have been a tiny bird and lived inside a nest, but oh, I'm glad I'm just a child. I think my home is best. So it's clear from this poem, this recitation, that we are talking about the homes of animals, insects, or birds. Okay, so I might have lived inside a shell. We are talking about here about the snail. Okay, if I had been a snail, means if I were a snail, then I would live inside a shell, because we are familiar with that the snail's home is shell. So I will show you picture also. It's clear. Or in a great white tossing sea if I had been a whale. If I were a whale, whale is the biggest, sea creature, okay, or in a great white tossing sea. The home would be great white tossing sea. So tossing means, what do you mean by tossing? You know very well, tossing means moving up and backside or movement of the sea. We can say waves of the sea. Okay, sometimes great waves and wide and seas. So whale lives in a sea. So whale's home is sea, right? Or in a noisy busy hive if I had been a bee. If I were a bee, bees an insect, we are familiar with this. Okay, bees make their home on hive. They are very busy in buzzing. They are very noisy. When they buzz, they creates noise. Bees. Okay, honeybees. So I'll show you picture of honeybee. Bees are here. Okay. Or a bunny in a bureau eating lettuce for my tea. So now you know very well that bunny means rabbit. Okay, hare, HARE, bunny means rabbit lives in a bureau means a hole. Okay, eating lettuce for my tea. Okay, and all the time rabbit is very much love to take the leaves of any part, eating part. So large leaves it prefer Okay, the next one. I might have had a kennel home. Okay, if I had been a dog. I had been a dog means I might have had a kennel home if I had been a dog. Now, kennel. Kennel is a home of dog. Dog's home is known as kennel. It means dogs lives in a kennel. If I were a dog, then I usually live in the kennel, or a mud hole in a river bank if I had been a frog. So next example is given. If I were a frog, then I would like to prefer to live in the mud hole of or nearby the river or bank river. Okay, I might have been a tiny bird and lived inside a nest. Okay, you all know very well that birds live in the nest. So poet also prefer, if he would be a tiny bird, then live he would live inside a nest. But oh, I'm glad. Glad means I'm very happy. I am just a child. I think my home is best. But at last, poet describes that I'm very happy. In the end, poet describes about the poet is a child, and poet lives in a home, and home is best for him. As humans, we have homes, we are living in homes, and also we are very much lucky people that we are living in home. A particular place is given by mighty God. Okay, all. So we should thanks to God that we have wonderful homes for staying. But rather than the animals and birds, they make their own homes, and they face very much difficulty to make their homes. Many times we haven't any knowledge about it. You don't know about it. It's hard, it's tough job for them to make their homes, but we are very lucky that we are having homes. So this was the poem. At least 3 times you will recite this poem. Okay, and we will do then after that. Okay, so first of all, your duty is to recite. Thank you so much, students.